Don't be looking at me like that, because I don't know what you look like right now.
Let me love you when your heart is tired.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sierra, and today I will be showing you my eyelash tutorial because it was requested. Anyways, so yeah, I love lashes. I really do. Like, so if my voice sounds weird, I'm recovering from being sick, and my voice was much worse. So I'm better now. In the first clip, I had on these 3D Fox mink. Now, these are a little bit too dramatic for me today. They're a little bit too dramatic for me today, right? So I will be wearing these. If you're wondering why my hair looks like this, shrinkage. That's all I have to say, shrinkage. Right. So we're gonna have these lashes, and all you really need is something to get out the glue. Now, I'm using hair bonding glue. Don't make that scary. I'm not gonna lie, it's gotten in my eyes before, but you can just pull it out. So I feel like that's a bonus part there. So you can use whatever you want to use, but this is what I use. And so I just hate this video already, because like my skin isn't cooperating. Like, there's a zit right here, and I feel like if I put a band-aid on it, that's just bringing more attention, but like it bothers me. I don't want to use a lot because I really enjoy pulling off my eyelashes with ease. It's very therapeutic for me, you know? So you let it right here dry a little bit before you put it on. I actually have the tool that you use to put it on, but I don't know how to use it. So we're gonna try to use it right now. So, oh, I'm scared. No, I like using my fingers. I can't do it. Trial and error, honey. Oh wow, that doesn't make me want to trust me at all. So we got it all on. Trial number 2, you're not gonna get it every time. So I'm showing you what not to do. So what I try to do is like put it directly here, close to the lash line as possible, but not on your lash line, you know? Well, the side that I don't like is what comes out the best. The first few times, I still struggle every now and then, but my trick is to go directly as close as possible to the line and then just kind of fix it however you want to. You can put on mascara to blend it in to make it as natural as possible, but that's not really a big deal for me. So I'm just gonna take out my hair. I'm pretty sure y'all are tired of staring at this like, what is wrong with this girl? So I'll be right back. Okay, so real quick story time. I'm disappointed in my hair. I'm not disappointed in my hair, I'm disappointed in the roping thing. I don't know why I thought it was gonna work, because normally when I do my twists, they shrink up. So I thought, like, let me wrap it around. But it was just so stringy, and I had to pull it up and I had to pull it back because it wasn't it. We're not here for my hair, we're here for the lashes. So I'm gonna just put on my Juicy Lips clear lip gloss, because when am I not wearing lip gloss, you know? So we're at the end of the video because we're done. I really hope you enjoyed watching me struggle for a little bit, but then snatching my eyelashes together. I'm still disappointed in my hair. It was supposed to come out so much cuter, but that's not what the video was about. It was about... Y'all felt that? That breeze. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what other videos you want to see. Give me some ideas, because we don't ever want to run out of ideas. We want to keep that consistency. See you next time.